Number 1. Nikon D850. Meet the Nikon D850, your new favorite DSLR. We've tested it extensively, and we're calling it the best DSLR camera you can buy today, especially for astrophotography. Its 45.7 megapixel sensor blows many new cameras out of the water. Professionals and experts love it for creating stunning images, whether in broad daylight or under the stars. The Nikon D850 is fast, capable of shooting at 7 FPS, and it can even hit 9 FPS with a dedicated battery grip. This is a dream for anyone capturing fast-moving subjects. Switching between photos and videos, this camera handles both with ease, supporting 4K UHD and gorgeous 8K time-lapse videos. Its versatility means you can tackle any photography style. Backlit buttons, excellent low-light autofocus, and good ISO noise handling make it perfect for those late-night astrophotography sessions. Plus, it works with almost every f-mount lens, giving you tons of options. Weather or dust won't stand in your way. The D850 is weather-sealed, ensuring reliable performance in any setting. Whether you're capturing night skies or picturesque landscapes, this camera won't let you down. Its age shows a bit in buffering speed, but it's a minor trade-off given its exceptional capabilities. If you want a camera ready for any challenge, consider the Nikon D850.